This 5-minute solution will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So if you're trying to add a highlight on your profile without adding the photo to your story, just follow this step-by-step guide. So here is no option to add highlights without adding to a story. All you have to need, just hide everyone from viewing your story. To do that, go to settings, tap on hide story and live, and all you have to need, just select all of your friends from viewing your story. Then tap on this plus at the bottom, select story, and add a photo to your story. Once the story added, go to your Instagram profile again, tap on new, select the story to add it to your highlights. And this is how we can add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.